Hello and welcome to Collab Academy, where you learn, build, and earn. And there is a feature on Collab that allows you to interact with your tutors and other users on the platform so that we can help address any challenges that you have. So, how does that work? Let's dive straight into it. So first, we need to log in into our Collab Academy account. Once you are done, you head to the Collab tab. Head to the Collab tab on the Academy. So once you are in, you can ask your question for the tutors to pick it up. So how do we do that? You click on new thread over here and you give the title of the question that you want to ask. So let's say you want to ask about, or you want to talk about AI image generation. So that's the topic that you want to talk about. Then you describe what you want to talk. So we say why drafts effective prompts image generation. Step back. So you have a preview of that here. Then after that, if there are any attachments that you want to add, images or any other stuff, you can just do that over here. Click on choose file, then you set your image. Then you set the image. After that, you can select the tag that's either it was on a data analytics or any of the sections that you have used. This for automation and then the visibility, you can make it visible to the public or to the specific class, and you can also post anonymous. So when you are done, we hit on publish thread. So you can see we have our thread over here, asked by Kopiasa. How do I draft effective prompts for image generation can be attached to this image? So when another user logs in and head to the Collab tab, let me go back and show that. So when another user comes in and head to the Collab tab, see this question over here. Click on more. You can edit the question here, or you just click on the question, go down for the other user, then just input your reply. If there are any other images, you put them there. So if you are satisfied with the answer that you get, you just click on mark as solved. Then you can upload it so that other users can see what is going on over here. So thank you and continue learning with Collab Academy. Collab Academy, learn, build,